Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. First we show the thing required for installing light on cycle. Number 1 thing is battery. This is 12 volt battery. Second thing is light. This is 12 volt light. Number 3rd thing is cable tie. Number 4 thing is copper wire of long length. You can estimate length of wire about your cycle. We can connect light in front of the cycle with the help of some nut and bolts. Tie the net correctly with the help of spanner. Now light is fitted correctly. Connect your battery under the seat of your cycle and fit it with the help of cable tie. Make sure tie will be tightly band. The long wire comes from battery and attached with light. Connect positive wire with positive wire of light and cover with tap. Now battery wire is totally done. Connect battery wire with light. Connect positive wire with positive and negative wire we use for button connection. Cover wire with tape. Now all connection is completely done. Light is ready. Please like and now all connection is completely done. Light is ready. Please like and subscribe.